So first of all, we put 2000 millimeter of water into the pot and turn on the biggest fire. So after the water is boiling, we put 300 of the tapioca pearl into the pot and stir it a little bit while. After the water is boiling, we turn the fire to slow fire, and then to cook for 20 minutes. So during the 20 minutes of cooking, for every 4 minutes, we need to stir a little bit while of the tapioca pearl to avoid sticking to the pot. For every 4 minutes, we need to stir a little bit to avoid any sticking to the pot. So the fourth step, after 20 minutes, is ready, and then we turn off the fire, and then use to cover it to stew another 20 minutes. We rinse the tapioca pearl into the room temperature drinkable water to wash it completely. So we rinse the tapioca pearl from the drinkable water into the pot. So the final step, we're going to put 50 grams of the fructose into the well-cooked tapioca pearl evenly and stir it evenly so it is okay to be used. And add another 50 grams of the drinkable water, room temperature drinkable water. So to stir it evenly.